Your documented SOPs are going to fail. I'm going to show you the SOP Audit System, the secret to making your entire business self-correcting. The biggest trap is the system maintenance trap. SOPs get documented, saved, and then ignored. They decay. The founder is dragged back in as the process police, a highly expensive, low-leverage role. You need to build a system that runs itself. The consequence is that your freedom score drops to 0. You start micromanaging, execution becomes inconsistent, and you lose the entire ROI of documenting in the first place. Your SOPs must evolve, or they become costly relics. The solution is the process auditor, the system maintenance role. This role must be filled by a specific behavioral profile, a person whose internal motor runs on order and detail. They are intrinsically driven to audit. We use Talent.IQ to find this perfect profile. This process auditor executes the SOP audit system using 3 core pillars. Number 1, assigning the auditor, a dedicated role with a high detail principal profile. Number 2, defining audit frequency. Define the frequency based on risk, not just an annual check. Number 3, behavioral compliance check. The auditor checks if the behavior matches the principle. This is what makes the system self-correcting without founder input. The process auditor is the linchpin. You can have the best SOPs in the world, but if you hire the wrong profile, your system fails. First step is behavioral assessment. Stop fixing broken systems. If you want the blueprint for the hires who can run your self-correcting OS without you, you must hire based on data. Take the free Talent.IQ assessment now and finally quantify the traits that drive your profit. Click the link in the description to build your self-correcting OS blueprints. If you can delegate the maintenance, you win the game. In our next short video, we'll cover the one person you must avoid hiring, the founder's fear of the process expert.